I don't want to disturb your lunch. I'm sure this morning you have heard a lot of long speeches, and I'm going to make it very short and sweet. Lo fiona le malo Samoa malo siofo. Yo mai fiona sui o fono sui tofia le tafatol o le tato fenga malo. Lo fiona le fono fetalai. Lo fiona le sui pandemia minister gabineta. Lo fiona le fam sincere mal officer fam sinoma. Your Excellency, the Governor General of Australia, Honourable Sam Mostyn, Your Excellency Simon Beckett, Your Excellency the Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Tonga, Lord Whakawhanua and your good lady, Honourable valaaulia Vavasa Manaya Winston Peters, my High Chief from New Zealand, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Honourable Speaker of Parliament of Fiji, Honourable Filimone Koto, and your good lady, Lau Fionga Leo to Lau Fionga Petelo Olapati Pita, Lau Fionga Lieutenant Governor Malo Milik Samoa, Lau Fionga Urumatala Junior, Lau Fionga le Presidente del Senato Milik Samoa, Lau Taumafatga Olo, na fale se fulu yele motu malo fertua. Lau fionga le fonga fitalai, sui il fono sui Amerika Samoa, lau tofa, sa vali te lavou mal fertua. Lau fionga le Pro-Chancellor of the University of South Pacifica, members of the Diplomatic Corps, whaurunga mtanga wenga, le paia ma le malu mawalunga, o tatou valaaulia le ningasu. Ola ole tu e whaloina le awhaloloa la o lea o mai au na tati e panga le ti o tau ti anga. Tu leinga ma la ungo le nei aso fifia. Whamana tuina o le onos fu whatau sama. O le malo tu to tasi o Samoa. O le taritonunga o lo o mātou no nofo mo mātou. I Samoa nei i le fionga i le ama malu le malo, male malo. Na ala na tātou mafuta le aso nei. O nei le o tu e tau e sea o to uma. Sa tātou whai paanga ma whai wō mo mua i tū langa tau whai ngā malo. A le teimina nei. O le mātou te tununga. Wō ua tau le pao. Ma ua tātou tino, toto, ma anu. E vea ilo leo i whai mafonga tāmu moli. Le fio atu le fionga i le ama malu le malo ma le masiofo ma le malo Samoa. E mo moli atu ai lo mātou wa nganga whaftai teli. I le malo Australia, i le malo New Zealand, i le malo Fiji, i le malo Tonga, i le malo Tuvalu, i le malo Amerika Samoa ma le malo o Tokela. Ono le whaavano ina o loutou temi tāua. Tau te awhi fio mai ei. Tātou te whaatasi le whamana tuina. O le malo tu to tasi o Samoa. O le aso e le mawhai o na whaangalo. Na asa ai le masua le tae au nei o mātou mātua. Ina i o mātou maua le tu to tasi. O le aso na saili ai malo mo Samoa. Ina i asa o loto Samoa. Nei e o le whababa. Pe tae oi tu aso whape nei. Mātou te lamona le mawhanawhana le loto. Pe a whai tātou te au whatasi. Ma tātou fili whatasi. Mo tātou fia whatasi, tātou te patipatia. Leanga le leio le atua. Mo Samoa. Moli atua i le nganga whakateitere. I le paia ma le mamaru mawalunga. O tātou malo, wo mai masani. O tātou mafuta le ngaso. E le ai se whai ngā malanga e le ai li whawhi tauri. E le ai poi se whai ngā malanga e le ai li lui tau. Pei tai o le taritonunga o le tātou tutu whaatasi ma le tātou maru lue whaatasi. Ea e ai manu whaiwa. Ina ia manuia o mātou tangata e whapena fo i le tātou pasa Pasifika. O mafu ai o na tātou whaatasi le nei aso. Le au ngau tū o le wha moe moe, o le manu lau ti o le wha manatuina, O le ona sfurfata usama al malo tutu atasi o Samoa. Samoa ua tasi. Mo se amata mafo. Unity for a new beginning for Samoa. On behalf of the government and the people of Samoa, talofa lava and welcome to our Independence Lunch. I take this opportunity to thank you all, in particularly to all our guests from abroad, for joining with us in these celebrations of Samoa's 64 years of independence. We live in an increasing interconnected world where the strength of any nation is measured not only by its achievement, but also by its ability to cooperate, equal partnership, and harmony with others. An anniversary commemoration is an opportunity to accept the fellowship, goodwill, and unity that have brought us together, both purpose and celebration. It also serves as a reminder, and beyond our roles and responsibility, we are bound by shared commitment to the progress of well-being of our country. It is the spirit of unity, of placing collective interest of another individual gain, that have sustained our democracy for the last 64 years and continue to guide our journey forward. It is what has enabled Samoa to remain resilient, stable, and looking forward to face global proceedings, challenges, and uncertainties. We are look ahead. Let us continue to build our strength, address our challenges and honest and determination, and to work together in spirit, cooperation, and mutual respect. For in doing so, we are continue to strengthening the foundations of resilience, solidarity, prosperity in our people. The theme for our celebration this year is United for a New Beginning, while we hold in deep respect the journey that has brought us here. We are called to move forward and renew purpose, strengthening unity, deepen collaborations and partnership, and enhance opportunity that lies ahead for Samoa. I take this great moment to thank all the Samoan citizens for your contribution to God and our country that develop partners to their continued support and dedication engagements with the government to address challenges we face as a nation. As a member of a regional consortium to the Blue Pacific, and it is an international citizen to the global family, together we can sustain, secure, peaceful, and prosperous Samoa to the Blue Pacific continent. Excellency, honorable guests, ladies and gentlemen, please join with me for a toast. Can I have my class, please? Thank you. Can we please all upstanding? For the prosperity and the success of our beloved Samoa and all our guests here this evening. Manuia.